it's Mark Weiss. Let's talk about fear of missing out. Or maybe it's the lack of optionality. Now, you're probably familiar with the expression FOMO, fear of missing out. Am I going to miss this opportunity? What if it presents itself? What if I lock myself into doing X? Will I be able to take advantage of Y? This not only impacts those people thinking about what party invitation they might get for New Year's, but medical group leaders of all stripes. But there's another sort of thinking problem here, or thinking issue, and that is whether, when an option comes up, you have the ability to take it, and whether you've taken enough of those opportunities such that making another decision, a fear of making a decision, say to jettison a contract, to jettison an entire facility, for example, it can't be done because you don't have any options. It becomes like being stuck on a freeway when you really have to use the bathroom. There's no exits, there's no option. Or coming up here to this intersection, whether there are 3 fast food places or 3 gas stations or only one. What options have you created for yourself that not only allow you to hedge your risk across multiple contracts, for example, but which allow you not to be taken hostage by your contracting opposite when they know that they have you over the barrel because they are your only option and that you've created that situation yourself?